2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Harley Davidson Street. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Harley Davidson Street emerges as an iconic option, offering novice riders an unparalleled combination of heritage, style, and a distinctive riding experience. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the Street seamlessly embodies Harley Davidson's storied legacy while catering to riders entering the world of motorcycling. In 2024, the Street continues to captivate riders globally, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the unique allure of Harley Davidson's unmistakable presence on the road. 1. Timeless Harley Davidson design. The Harley Davidson Street carries the timeless design language synonymous with the iconic brand. With its classic cruiser silhouette, V-twin engine, and bold, muscular stance, the Street exudes a sense of rugged elegance. Harley Davidson's commitment to preserving its heritage ensures that the Street not only delivers a visually striking riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the enduring appeal of the Harley Davidson legacy. 2. Potent Revolution X engine for urban adventures. At the heart of the Street lies the potent Revolution X engine, a 750 cubic centimeters V-twin powerhouse designed to deliver accessible power and a distinctive Harley Davidson exhaust note. The engine is tuned to offer a balance between torque and smooth performance, making it an ideal choice for novice riders navigating city streets and exploring urban environments. The Street's engine provides sufficient power for city commuting, relaxed cruising, and the unmistakable rumble that defines the Harley Davidson experience. 3. Nimble handling and urban agility. Designed for nimble handling, the Harley Davidson Street features a chassis that strikes a balance between stability and urban agility. The bike's responsive handling and user-friendly ergonomics make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, master low-speed maneuvers, and enjoy the essence of urban riding. The Street's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the unique feel of a Harley Davidson on urban roads. 4. Comfortable seating and cruiser ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Street features cruiser-friendly ergonomics. The motorcycle offers a relaxed and laid-back seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an upright riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Harley Davidson's commitment to rider comfort makes the Street not only a stylish option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, weekend escapes, and exploring city streets with the distinct cruiser charisma. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Street seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include a contemporary instrument cluster, LED lighting for visibility, and Harley Davidson's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality without compromising the bike's classic appeal. Harley Davidson ensures that the Street remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of classic cruiser styling with essential modern features. Conclusion. The 2024 Harley Davidson Street stands as a global icon of entry-level cruiser greatness, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its timeless design, potent Revolution X engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of motorcycling with a desire for classic Harley Davidson flair. Whether mastering the basics, cruising city streets with the unmistakable rumble of a V-twin, or embracing the iconic Harley Davidson legacy, the Street encapsulates the spirit of the brand's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible and stylish motorcycling. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the unique allure of the Harley Davidson experience, the 2024 Harley Davidson Street rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of motorcycles for beginners.